In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can open an account with Exness in order for you to start trading in the forex market. So you can click the link in description or Google Exness and then come to register. So for you to register with Exness, you need to have a national identification, that is your ID or passport, and also a proof of address. So for example, if you are in Kenya, you need a utility bill or even your KRA certificate or your bank statement that shows your address. So the address you put on your account should be similar with what is showing in your utility bill or certificate from the revenue authority. So registration is super simple. After clicking the link in the description, it will bring you to this area where you will click on create account. So sign in is after you create your account. So you will enter your country, for example Kenya, and Exness will give you a direction to open an account that is related to your country. For example, if you are in Kenya, some countries will have to use their own link. So you'll just click continue to Exness Kenya, Exness Ghana, South Africa. So you will click that, and the registration process is also the same. So you will enter your email address and then password. Your password should be at least between 8 to 15 characters, at least one upper and lowercase letter, at least one number, at least one special character. For example, we can say Kenya at 254. You can see I've received all the ticks because it is 9 characters, one upper letter, lowercase, a special character that is at, and also at least a number. Then you can enter a partner code, which I'll leave in the description, and this is the partner code you can use, and then click continue. So after that, you will receive an email to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will sign in to your account, where now you can verify your address or your location. So let me log in to my account so that I can show you how it looks like. So when you log into your account, it will ask you to update your profile because you need to approve your address and also your identity. So up here, it will show you to verify your account, where you will take a picture of your ID, upload it, and also a picture of your proof of address, like the certificate from the revenue authority that has your location, or a utility bill, or even your bank statement. So after logging into your account, you can then create your real account or demo account. So after verification, which usually takes at least 12 hours or even less than that, depending on the time you upload your documents. So you will come to demo and then click open account. When you click demo, it will bring you to this section where you can select which demo account you can get started with. So for $10, that is, you'll have $10 in your demo account, and we also have minimum deposit of $500. So I took this bro as my demo account. So you will click on that and then click continue. Click on that and then click continue. So for the demo account, you'll have to select the currency here: Kenya shillings, USD, Euro, Australian dollar, pound sterling. Then execution type, you choose instant or market. Then enter the name, and also we have the leverage. So here you will choose, I think the best is 1 to 400. You enter that and then you choose your platform, MT4 or MT5, and then you enter your password and then click create account. I'll show you how my demo account looks like so that you can know how to log in your MT4 or MT5. So this is my demo account. So for me to use this demo account, they have the server name Exness KE310, which you will download the MT4 and search for this server, and you will enter the login details, MT4 login details, and then enter your password. So that is simple as that. Same case to real account. You will just click create account, choose the type and the deposit that you want to deposit. Then if you want to deposit, you will click on deposit and it will show you how to deposit money into your account. So currently I'm trading with demo, but next month I'll start doing real trading because I'm back testing my strategies right now. So you can deposit with Airtel, M-Pesa, bank card, and Skrill. Let's go into withdrawal. So withdrawal is also simple. You will click on that and you will enter your withdrawal details. For example, in Kenya, we have M-Pesa, and also it takes only 1 hour to a day. Skrill is instant to 1 day. Transfer between accounts from one Exness account to another is also possible, and that is it. So for you to get started with trading, you need a trading strategy. So first learn to use a demo account, but test your strategy and start making money. So for you to get started, you can check out the link in description to open an account. So make sure that you have an ID, identification card, and a proof of address. And that is it. Also subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be documenting my journey in the forex market. And if you are a beginner, let's all earn and get started with forex trading.